Hello. Today we're going with a recipe that I'm sure you're going to love because if you have potatoes and eggs, you're all set.
Congratulations, it's super easy to make and turns out
Amazing.
We start by chopping potatoes. I recommend using 2 large ones, but if you have small ones, just use a few more. The thing is to have boiling water, add some salt, and then add the peeled and diced potatoes. While the water heats up again, you have time to peel a carrot, which always goes great with it. It's optional, but it turns out great. You add it, put the lid on, and let everything get nice and soft. On the other hand, finely chop 2 cloves of garlic and sauté them to make a little sofrito. So, pour in a splash of oil and add the garlic. We want it to brown a little, so let's be quick. Finely chop an onion as well. Once the onion is chopped, add it to the same pan before the garlic burns. Stir it around and wait for it to soften as well. After a few minutes, you'll see that the carrot and potato are soft, so take them off the heat and put them in a bowl. Hey, I have the classic Duralex one. Did you have a bowl like this at home? This thing was unbreakable, and mine is still around. Well, the point is to mash it well with a fork or a potato masher, and then add some things to it. In my case, what we had in the pan, onion and garlic, goes right in to give it a lot of flavor. And now,
is when you add your personal touch. People add what they like most. I like it. Add some parsley and also a bit of cheese. In my case, mozzarella, which goes perfectly. It's finger-licking good.
And as promised, here I go with the parsley, always to your liking. I add quite a lot, and a grated cheese, in my case, mozzarella. We add it and mix very well. The easiest way is to do it directly with your hands. Squeeze and release until you have a more or less homogeneous and doughy mixture. Perfect for grabbing a good piece, kneading it a little so it compacts, and what they call shaping in baking. That is, rolling it between your palms until it forms a little ball. Then you flatten it a bit and shape it however you like, so it's not too thick and cooks evenly. And now the 2 eggs, to which I add salt and stir, beating them very well until they have a uniform texture. After that, we dip the potato with whatever you wanted to add to it into that fantastic egg mixture we prepared earlier. And into the breadcrumbs, it's optional. You could do it without it, but I just love the touch that the crispy breadcrumbs on the outside give it. I mix it well and set it aside on a small plate because I'm going to coat all the potatoes. Once we have it, the oil should be nice and hot. Check it like this by placing something wooden in the center. Do you see the bubbles coming up? That means it's hot and ready, so now it's time to fry. I use oil that's nice and hot, and I set it to medium or medium-high heat, around a 9. I set it to number 7, and we start putting them in until you notice the edges are starting to brown as well. Then you flip them over and wait for them to brown on the other side. Although this is up to your taste, if you like them really crispy, leave them in longer. And if you like them less crispy, take them out sooner. We're here to enjoy ourselves, so always do it the way you like best. But make sure to place them on a plate with plenty of paper like the one you see below, absorbent paper or kitchen paper, once they're golden brown. Look, look, look.
What a great pinto.
A big plate.
Amazing how easy it is to make with cheap ingredients, and it makes a lot.
Amazing.
Look how creamy it is inside. Don't tell me you don't want to take a bite again and again. Don't say it. And another one. Amazing recipe. Try it. You'll definitely make it again. And since we're here, tell me, what veggie would you add? Did you see that I used onion, garlic, and carrot? We're here to learn, so what would you add? Also, where are you watching the video from?
And
that's it. I'll list the ingredients I've used for you as a reminder. Write them down, and it'll be even easier for you to prepare the recipe. And if you want even more, the algorithm tells me you're going to love this video. Click on it, and if you like it, let me know.